8th class of Jenny's Hangul. From this lecture, we'll learn about the sound of Hangul consonant and how to make syllables by combining Hangul consonants and vowels. These are Korean consonants that I introduced in last class. In this lecture, let's learn about the top 2 syllables. Though you've already learned about consonants, ieng, circle-like consonant, but let's take another time to review it. Okay, ieng has no phonetic value when it is used as beginning consonant, and this consonant has h consonant has h phonetic value. The name of this consonant is ieng, and the name of this consonant is h. These are vowels. I'm sure you can read them all, but please do not worry if you can't read them yet. If you read them over and over again in Jenny's Hangul class, you will be able to read it naturally. I'm sure. Let's read it together. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이, 와, 워, 위, 의, 에, 예, 예, 왜, 왜. You need at least one consonant and one vowel to make one syllable. Choose one consonant from this. Here, choose one consonant from ieng or hit and one vowel from this vowel chart. Let me show you how to make a syllable with these consonants and vowel. I put ieng consonant, ieng, and I will put e vowel, e. I make e syllable. How can you read it? E, e. Even if ieng consonant is not pronounced, but you have to write when you make a syllable. And here, consonant and o. Here, consonant and o vowel, and you can make ho, hu. Ho sound plus o, ho. All right, very easy. And ieng consonant again, and I will put o vowel. Hu and o can make ho. Here can write like this or like this. Both are okay. I will put hu consonant and this time wa, combined vowel. Hit consonant and wa vowel. We can make hua. In this way, we can make all these syllables. In fact, not all these syllables are used in Korean. However, now is the time to learn Korean syllables, so let's take a look at all possible syllables that can be made by combining consonants and vowels. 아, 야, 어, 여. 하, 야, 허, 혀. 오, 요, 우, 유. 호, 효, 후, 휴. 으, 이. 흐, 히. 에, 예, 예. 해, 해. 와, 워, 의, 위. 화, 화, he, 휘. 왜, 회, 회, 회. Ending consonant. 이응 consonant has ing phonetic value when it is used as ending consonant. So this syllable can be pronounced as ya, yang. And second, wang. And last one is hong, hong. Again, the ending consonant has a phonetic value, ng sound. And the beginning consonant, ieng, has no phonetic value, and the vowel has a sound. How can you read it? Ang. And 다음, 히읗 has also different phonetic value when it is used as ending consonant. It has h sound when it is used as beginning consonant, but it has ut phonetic value when used in ending consonant. This consonant has h sound, h sound when it is used as a beginning consonant, but it has ut sound when it is used as an ending consonant. How can you read it? Ut sound. The name of the last letter, last consonant, this one, is 히읗. 히읗. So this ending consonant has t, ut phonetic value. It has ut phonetic value, and it has no phonetic value. Beginning consonant has no phonetic value, and this vowel has hard to pronounce, but try to pronounce it, phonetic value. Okay, so far we have learned about consonant 이응 and 히읗, two consonants. I hope you've understood it well so far. See you next time. Bye bye. 감사합니다.